Okay, today we discuss that managing the data objects with data dictionary, and outline will be this. After completing this lesson, you should be able to do the following. Use the data dictionary views to research data on your objects, then view how to create the object, how to create the views, and how to select the data from selected view. Then query various query will be discussed about data dictionary views. Okay, this is data dictionary. What is data dictionary? Data dictionary is metadata or data about data is called data dictionary. It is comprised on Oracle server and is divided into table containing business data and second, and then the other hand data dictionary views using these queries. Okay, so we have data dictionary. We use these terminology dictionary to view the complete data dictionary about the tables, columns, views, constraint. All will be detail will be viewed through data dictionary. Okay. Then if you want to see the user objects, you only write this command. Then it will be written user objects, user tables, user table columns will be displayed in this. Then for suppose in previous database we have employee table, department table, matlab EMP, DPT table, and location table and job history. These will be green shows the tables containing their data, and this is a data dictionary about these tables. Okay. Then data structure. What is the data dictionary structure? Data dictionary structure consists on base tables in these and user accessible views. This is tables, base tables, and this is user accessible views. Then data dictionary structure comprised on some prefixes. We must write user, user view, what if user schema, what you own. Okay. Then all expanded users view, what you can access. All user will be accessed. And if you want to see the database administrator, who is a database administrator currently, then use dba command to view database administrator's view. Okay. Then another command v dollar for the performance related of the data. We will discuss these using. Then how to use the data dictionary views. First of all, to write start with the dictionary, and it contains the names and description of the tables and views. So you only write the command that is describe dictionary. You only write this command. We can do this practically. Okay. So we go through the practical. We will use this software, that is okay, this is data dictionary view. We will write the describe command. Then we write describe to dictionary. Then we will run this query. We have found that object type view, object, and dictionary. It describe the table dictionary. That dictionary consists of table names, and we have 30 tables over here, and we have 4,000 comments will be added in this. So dictionary tells that table has columns, table has must have data type, table has must length, table has must precision, table has to scale, table has some primary keys, table have other constraint null by default constraint and comments. Then you add more, than other constraint will be added into the data dictionary. Okay, if you want to write the other command to select the user view, then you write describe user, then it display the users. Okay. Object user not found. We describe object user. User objects. Okay, we have found user object. That table user object has column name, object subject, name, then object ID, data. All these column will be displayed, and this has different data types over here. Okay, if you want to see user tables, you write user tables. See the schema or structure of the table. Okay, so its object type is view. We will discuss later that how to create the view. Okay, this shows the data dictionary, a complete dictionary about the database. Then if you want to see the tables column, you use write command user tab, then columns. Here we have see the display the user table columns complete record over here. Then how to create the view? Simply create view is easy. Create, we write the create keyword, then you write mention the create view keyword, then you must create the view of an which table we want to view of employee table. So we write the name of employee emp table view, means employee table. Okay, then we have two keywords, then we write employee table, then we write over as select, then we want to view of create the view of see name from the employee table, name, job, comma, salary from employee. So it will create the view of employee table. Okay, if you want to see specific restricted only use the views in your project, then you can use only the view instead of using the complete query. Here we have view is created. Then if you want to see the created view, you must write simply these queries. You can save this query. Okay, view. Now I am going to modify this query, that select all from select all from this view. Okay, so here we have displayed the view that we have created. Select all from ename, job and salary from emp table. Got it? If you have any question, you can ask.